Question 8, it says, during the recent survey of characteristics of tongue rollers, 1,300 individuals were examined. Okay, so this is our total number, and we might use that down the road. The results of the study were given. So tongue rollers, oh, by the way, it says, what is the frequency of the non-tongue rolling recessive allele? So if you can't roll your tongue, that's recessive. And the allele, of course, is single. So what they're asking for is Q. So this is important. So we need to know here that the tongue rollers, this part is recessive. And the dominant is people that can roll their tongue. Okay, so we know automatically with these type of questions, the number that we're going to key on is this 36%. We can't use this 64% because if you can roll your tongue, you might be homodom, right? Or you might be hetero. So because we can't differentiate between the P squared and the 2PQ guys, we can't use that 64%. We're going to use this 36. So they want to know what Q is, right? So that's Q, and using that number, find the dominant allele. So the one for tongue rolling allele. So that's P, and that's what they're asking for. So when we do that, we're going to take a look at this 36%. We know that 36% has to be changed into a decimal. The other thing we know is that that's going to represent non-tongue rollers, which is Q squared. Again, if it's a trait, like not being able to roll your tongue, you have to have two of those Qs. So Q squared to not be able to have the particular trait we're talking about. So Q squared equals, change that into decimal right away, 0.36. If we want to find a single Q, we're just going to square root that 0.36, and Q is going to equal 0.6. Okay, so that's our Q. We're going to take that number they said, and we're going to use that to go find P. So P equals 1 minus 0.6. P equals 0.4. Okay, and that's all they wanted. They wanted in one decimal place, which we've done already. And any questions with that, just give me a quick email. Thanks.